Gonna take my vitamins. I forgot to take them this morning. Anyway, I'm gonna have some more vitamins when I drink this product here, Nature's Nectar orange juice. I think it's no pulp orange juice. It's an Aldi's food market brand orange juice. Tastes like Florida's Natural or Tropicana, and it doesn't really have any different taste to it, but although you can get many bottles of, I think it's Florida's Natural at Dollar Tree for $1.25, and you can also get like the other drinks that they have too. But that's a good deal. But you only get like a small little bottle, probably like this big. Usually, if you go to the Walmart or to the grocery store, it's $5, $6, $7 for a carton of it, which is ridiculous. But now I don't drink a lot of orange juice that often, but I've been feeling colds coming on and stuff, and like my nose has been running, and my head's been hurting from allergies and stuff, and I think that it's good to drink some orange juice when you don't feel that good. Also, my stomach doesn't feel that good, but I don't know if that helps with I don't know if orange juice helps with stomach aches. Not too sure about that, but I haven't been feeling that good with like allergies and stuff. So usually, I like to drink orange juice for a brief period, so that my allergies start to not hurt so much. Oh, there's a spider right there. Hold on. I'm sorry about that, but there's a freaking... Oh, that was freaking close. I was just sitting here and I saw something crawl down the because my phone's on the windowsill, and I saw something crawling down on the wall right here. I'm like, oh, must have been up in the curtain or something, hanging out. Oh, that's creepy as heck. Almost landed on my orange juice. These little like yellow house spiders, that's what they are. And if you get bit by them, you don't feel that good after, I guess. Like, I guess you shouldn't get bit by them because they're like venomous or something. We have them all over the place, but never got bit by one. But seen them all the time. I don't think they really bite. I think if you agitate them or something, they bite. But wow, that was freaking scary. So I just shocked that thing with my my electric fly swatter. Anyway, that was scary. Wasn't expecting that to happen. Just like crawled down. It's gonna land on my hand or something, I thought. All I saw was something like right here, and I thought it was gonna land on my hand. Probably would have just landed and fell down and probably crawled somewhere else, but grabbed my electric fly swatter, which is, I still got the spider on it. I'm going to put it down the drain or put it outside or something. Anyway, this is pretty good. It's not as good as like Florida's Natural or any of the other ones, but still pretty good.